Hello, this is Carrie for Redesign with Prima. Today we're going to talk about Redesign's Decor Poly collection. These beautiful appliques are bendable, odorless, and come in a variety of gorgeous styles. All you have to do is glue them to your DIY projects and add any art medium you wish. Here I show just a couple of examples of some layering of different art mediums I've used and a project I've also added it to. You just use glue, add it on, and you're good to go. So I'm going to demonstrate today on this Bisque vase by Redesign, and I want to show you just how easy they bend, how durable they are, and how intricate the details are. The back is already scuffed, so it adds a little bit of tooth. So when you add your strong glue, it helps to attach it to your surface. These can also be cut apart and used in different pieces if you wish. So here I just kind of marked off where I want to add my poly, and I'm using contact adhesive to apply it to this vase. I just make sure I go in there with my adhesive really evenly, and I get every little area that I want to make sure is glued down. And I decided to use some rubber bands just to let the glue set and make sure that the poly stayed in place where I wanted it. Next, I'm going to add color using Redesign's chalk paste. This is called Iron Gate. It's a really dark, moody color that I absolutely love. And I just start pouncing it on with my brush. You can see how evenly it covers even over the light or dark surface. And the paste will give you a little bit of texture. The more you add, the more textured it'll be, and it does give even coverage too so beautifully. Here I'm adding my second coat just to make sure that I get in all the areas and have it evenly dispersed throughout the project, and I just love this color. At this stage, I thought it looked so beautiful already, and I didn't really want to add another layer, but I really, really wanted to, actually. So I'm going in with aged brass. This is our Finnabair aged brass decorwax and her brush. Now, they come in tubes, but I have an older tin, and I just want to use it up before I move on to a tube, and it works just fine. And I add it with the brush just to go over the Decor Poly and add just like a soft metallic look. And then I go in with my finger just to hit all of the little details even more. So it adds like kind of a dimensional look once I go in with two different application processes. And I love how it looks like metal. It's so pretty. And here I'm adding it to the rim just to give it a finished look here at the top. And you can see how smoothly and evenly it goes on. I mean, it's any color you want to throw at this it'll work perfectly. We have silver, gold, and so on. And here I blend in the sides around the Decor Poly with a little bit more wax, just to kind of blend it into the background. And I think this was a great idea. Now at this stage, you can add different colors of wax layered over one another, and it will look just as beautiful. I wanted to keep it simple so that I could keep this out all year long. So I can put fall flowers in it if I want to, and then I can put Christmas and spring and so on. So I kept it simple and elegant, and I can use it all year round. Make sure that you check out our description here on the video for product links and more information. And please feel free to comment if you have any questions about what we used or how we created this beautiful project. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more DIY projects by Redesign with Prima.